Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable data saver on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. Data saver will limit internet usage and is especially helpful for limited plans, like for example your mobile network. If you're sharing hotspot from your mobile phone, then most probably it uses a lot of data, and if you want to reduce that, you can enable data saver. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to Wi-Fi. Now go down to data saver. Simply click on it, then go to the right and click on or off. Once it's set to on, it will monitor and limit your network traffic to use less mobile data. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.